Most Windows users have no idea that there's a secret feature hidden deep inside the operating system, a feature called God Mode. It sounds dramatic, but the name is accurate. God Mode gives you access to every control panel setting, every system tool, and every configuration option in one single place. No searching, no menus, no clicking through layers of settings. Today, I'm going to explain what God Mode is, how to enable it, and why it's so powerful. So what exactly is God Mode? Officially, it's called the Windows Master Control Panel shortcut. It's basically a superfolder that contains over 200 system settings, grouped in one clean, scrollable list. This includes administrative tools, backup settings, storage, user accounts, performance options, power settings, and much more. Enabling it is surprisingly simple. Right-click on your desktop, choose New, then Folder. Now rename that folder to God Mode. ED7BA470ET54465E825C99712043041C. The moment you press Enter, the folder icon changes into a special control panel icon. Open it, and you'll see everything Windows has to offer in one place. So why do people call it God Mode? Because it makes you feel like you have absolute control over your system. Instead of digging through settings, control panel, or searching manually, you can instantly jump to any feature you want. Need to adjust power plans? It's there. Want to change your startup apps? Also there. Looking for disk management tools, device management, network settings, or security features? All available instantly. God Mode is incredibly useful for advanced users, but beginners can benefit too. It helps you learn what your computer can do and gives you direct access to tools you might never have found otherwise. One thing to note, God Mode doesn't unlock anything new. Instead, it organizes everything Windows already has in the smartest way possible. Think of it as a master control center. If you want to boost productivity, troubleshoot faster, or simply explore hidden parts of Windows, God Mode is one of the simplest secrets you can activate. Try it, and you'll never look at Windows the same way again. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.